Okay, come on, big girl. Let's go. Let's go. Hi everyone, it's Josh and Charlotte again here today. We're here in South Point, Mansfield. Here gonna tour Grand Homes. Grand Homes is a luxury home builder here in the Dallas-Fort Worth region. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel. My name is Josh. I'm a realtor here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area along with my assistant here, Charlotte. She comes with me on all my model home tours to see what it's like from a toddler's point of view. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Tap the notification bell. We post model home tour videos every single week of homes all over the area. If there's a model home you'd like to see, comment below and we'll be sure to check it out. Let's go to work. You ready? Water. Ooh, it's a swimming pool. Wow. I know that's not a door, baby. We'll have to go around. The door's over here, baby. Charlotte, the door's over here, babe. Come on, come over here. You go look outside? Charlotte, where are you going? Charlotte. Oh, bed. Yeah, we're not gonna climb on the bed. Yes, sweetie.
B.
What'd you find? Thank you.
B.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Did you hop? Hop? Okay, come on, big girl. Let's go. Let's go. You're so silly. Let's go. Let's go see the other rooms. No, we need to see the other rooms. No, we need to see the other rooms. Ooh, look at this. Wee. Wow, that's a fun chair. Is that a chair? Wow. Daddy? Daddy seat? Well, that's our show today, everyone. Thanks so much for stopping by our channel. Josh and Charlotte here, along with Josh and Charlotte's Home Tours, and we'll see you next time. You're so silly.